Okay, these evening journal questions are pretty self-explanatory, really. I would do these every day if you can. That's usually a good place to start. They are designed on purpose this way because, again, we are using the gift of thought. We're using the tool of thought, right? If all we ever use is thought, we're going to cause ourselves issues, right? Because as humans, we don't feel enough often. We don't use intuition enough often. We don't just shut the fuck up and chill the fuck out often. But we can use thought as a very useful tool of reflection. Okay, the brain will learn, we will learn. That's self-awareness, that's self-reflection. That's what these questions are for. Every evening, just work through them, and it just brings consciousness and awareness. Like, if we don't change, nothing changes, and if nothing changes, nothing changes. But if you don't bring some level of awareness to something, it just won't change, right? Let's say the understairs cupboard is full of crap. If I never open it and never look at it, it's always going to be that way. And it's always going to cause me stress because I know it's there subconsciously. Sometimes we just have to open the cupboard and go, okay, fine. How did I do today? Or like, what's going on here? How am I feeling? What's happening? Like, that self-reflection, that self-awareness. I know it sounds really simple. It is really simple, but we don't do it. We don't make the time to do it. But fall in love with this process, right? Go get in bed, put some music on, light a candle, I don't know, whatever it is for you, right? Just get your journal out. I'm someone that loves getting in bed. I've got a nice journal. I like stationery, and I really enjoy the process. I put some nice music on, some chilled music, and I do that. My kids are older now, so I can mostly get away with it. When they were younger, I did it when they was asleep, right? You can do it in the morning, but I quite like it as an evening reflection, and you'll probably find that you sleep better. Getting this crap out of your head, you'll sleep better. You'll relax more, you can get present. You can do breathing exercises if you want. You can do like box breathing, deep diaphragmatic breathing as you do this as well. Or just keep it really simple. Just in through your nose, out through your mouth, make the out breath longer than the in breath, breathe into your stomach, and just fall in love with the process, right? If you're single, great, you can do it on your own. If you've got a partner or a girlfriend or whatever that's into this stuff as well, they might just sit next to you and do the same thing, read a book, whatever. It can be quite a beautiful experience, but just fall in love with the process, fall in love with this little, it doesn't take long, what, 5, 10, 15 minutes maybe, but just fall in love with the process of doing it, and you'll find that the more you do this, the better results you get, right? The more clarity you get, the more brain space you get, the more you learn, the more you see yourself change, the more people around you see you change, the better this is. Anyway, any questions, let me know. And I'll put the questions below, and I'll speak to you soon.